Traveling to Lisbon? Never accept a ride from anyone who approaches you at the airport, no matter how friendly they seem. They might promise a great deal, but once they have your bag, the pressure starts. I just read about someone who was told the ride would be 20 euros, but when they got to the hotel, the driver demanded 250 euros. When the passenger refused, the driver threatened to take him to the police. They eventually settled on 30 euros. But who wants to start their vacation like that? Your best bet? Use Uber or Bolt. Prices are set, no haggling, no cash exchanged, and you have recourse if anything happens. If you take a taxi, always use the official taxi line, and make sure the meter is on. There's no flat rate from the airport in Portugal, or you can book a trusted private pickup in advance. Just agree on the price before your trip.
Bom dia, Lisbon! Passport in beak, ready for adventure!
Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy beautiful Lisbon. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more travel videos for Portugal and beyond.